So I have the Xiaomi Watch S3 and I'll be showing you how to turn off the watch. So I'll show you two methods. The first method is going to settings, all right? So just swipe up and then go to settings. On the settings page, scroll down until you get to system, tap on that, and then you should see the power off menu. You can tap on that and confirm by tapping on this check mark, and that's going to turn off your watch. Alternatively, if I could just get out of here. Alternatively, you can long press both buttons, the buttons on the side, 1, 2. So press and hold them simultaneously. So 1, 2, go, press and hold both buttons. Just keep holding. You should see the system menu once again, and you can choose to reboot or to power off the watch. And you can tap on that, and that's going to turn off the watch. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.